Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you for the month of August. And as these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Taurians for this month. What's the message for Taurians for this month? Okay, so we have the Fool, the Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Nine of Swords, the Chariot, the Strength, Page of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Seven of Swords, and the Death card. The Knight of Swords and the Two of Cups. Okay. Okay, so Taurians, you've taken a leap of faith. Okay, you have had a new beginning. You've started afresh, started anew in some aspect of your life. Okay, so you've taken a leap of faith in some aspect of your life, and that situation is giving you a lot of stability. It is stability, it is abundance, it's giving you everything you would ever wish for. Okay, so there is commitment, there is financial security, there is whatever security you were looking for, it is something committed. Basically, it's long term, it is committed. Okay, so whatever new you started and just took a leap of faith or took the risk, whatever risk was required to be taken in this direction or in this situation, you just really jumped from the 0 to the 10, and you've gained that commitment and that stability and that long term, whatever you wished for or whatever you wanted. Okay, and with the Ace of Wands, definitely there is a new beginning over here. There is something, it can be something else, I don't know, whatever it is for you, but there is some new beginning over here, and it is something which you feel passionate about. Okay, but after this new beginning, there is some reason which, because of which you are feeling anxious. Okay, there is something which is causing you a lot of anxiety, there is something which you are overthinking, there is something which is troubling you deep within. So whatever this new beginning is here, it is causing some sort of anxiety, some aspect, or it can be something else, I don't know. But then yes, there is something in your life which is causing a lot of anxiety, but soon I think it is getting over. You will be able to overcome that, and things will start picking up pace very fast. Okay, so whatever this new beginning is, in which you have a lot of passion for, so in spite of all the tensions and anxiety this situation must have caused you or is causing you, you will be able to overcome it, and things will pick up pace, and things will you will be able to take charge and move ahead very fast. Okay, so things will move forward very fast, and with the strength being there, so whatever the situation is, you are dealing with this situation with a lot of patience, strength and dignity. So what I feel is, with the Nine of Swords, whatever this new beginning was, and there were some anxious times or there was some times which are causing you a lot of anxiety and depression, or whatever, overthinking, sleepless nights, whatever it was which was troubling you, you will be able to deal with this issue, whatever this issue is, with a lot of strength and courage. And because of the way you will handle it, that's what I feel, and the determination, things, you will take the control back in your hands and things will start picking up pace. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, and then you have the page of pentacles and the page of swords. So there is definitely small steps are being taken in this progress. So whatever this is for you, things will start moving forward. You will be able to take again the control, and there are small steps forward again here which are being taken in some direction. You have the clarity, whatever it is, how to move. So it's like maybe you are learning how to deal with this situation. You've learned it, and now you are taking those small steps towards it in perhaps a more wiser way. It can be that also. So you've learned whatever was needed to be learned perhaps in this situation, which caused you a lot of anxiety, and you learned how to deal with it. And now you are slowly and steadily taking small steps now. Okay, you're not rushing in, that's something like that. But with the Seven of Swords, what I feel is somebody here is getting away with something. Okay, somebody is hiding from something from you, or you are hiding something from them. So there is something which is, somebody is getting away with some sort of information or something. I don't know, whatever it is, but something is there in your life which you don't know. Okay, there is something going on which you don't know. Okay. Here I'm getting two things, two messages. One is that with the Seven of Swords being there, something is being hidden from you. You are not aware of whatever is going on. There's something, somebody is getting away with something, you're not aware of it. And either with the Death card following it, either that situation is ending, either this cheating or deception is ending. It can be that also. And because we have the Knight of Swords next with the Two of Cups, so definitely you feel the impulse of rushing in and saving it. That's what I'm getting here. The moment you realize that something is ending, you feel the impulse to rush in and save it. That's what I feel. That is the energy which is coming up with the Knight of Swords. And you are trying to, the moment you realize that this situation is ending, or whatever this is which is ending, here this is an impulse to save it. That's what I feel. And you are restoring that balance with the Two of Cups once again. That's the vibe which I'm getting. Okay, so what I feel here is with the Seven of Swords and the Death card, so either this person who is hiding something from you, either because of their hiding or this deception, or somebody getting away with something, either that situation itself ends, or because of that something is ending. Okay, I think I should put it that way. Because of this situation, that somebody is getting away with something, somebody is hiding something from you, something like that. Because of this energy, the small steps which you were taking, but somebody is getting away with something here. Because of this energy, the situation starts ending. That's what I feel. This something ends here. Okay, and that is because of this deception, somebody getting away with something. Okay, so whatever the small steps you were taking, they seem to die out over here because of this Seven of Swords energy. And the moment you realize that this is ending, you rush in very fast. You have that impulse to save it. That's what I feel. And you are able to save it and restore the balance of this relationship with the Two of Cups. That's what I'm getting. Okay, now I really don't know what the Seven of Swords is. It can be anything. It can be just somebody just not telling you anything for some reason, or I don't know, whatever it is. But there is something which is, it's not very good as such. Somebody is hiding something from you, or somebody is getting away with something. And because of this, something is ending. Because of this energy, something is ending. Maybe this relationship starts fading off, or something else it is. You'll have to see what that is, but something comes to an end. because of this, and you feel the impulse to save it. And what I feel is, once you intervene into it, and this is an emergency, you just rush in like an emergency to save it, and somehow what I feel is you are able to revive it, because we have this being followed by the Two of Cups, so it is restoring the balance of this relationship once again. Let's see what is the message from this deck. What else Taurians need to know? Additional message for Taurians from this deck. Okay, again we have the Strength card. So definitely there is a situation over here in which you really need to deal with a lot of strength, determination and patience. Okay, there is something definitely there. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for you. What is the guidance from angels for my Taurians? Helper of abundance. Although you have a lot to do, it is important that you get organized first. Once the planning is complete, you can roll up your sleeves and get to work. Your guardian angels surround you and are ready to help you. This card also indicates a loving, kind and a loyal friend, someone with a big heart, a quick wit and endless patience. That person could be you. So that is the guidance from the universe, Taurians. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye. Thank you.